Hey, what are you waiting for?
It's not taking too long.
What are you talking about?
Stop! It's a surprise, baby.
What surprise?
Goodness. Wait, you're joking, right? Baby, the car. Where is it?
Where's what? Hey, I'm confused.
Goodness. You're joking, right?
What?
So I agreed to marry you. You don't think I deserve a wedding gift immediately after the wedding?
Okay, babe. I obviously didn't buy you a car, but it doesn't mean I won't buy you one in the future. Okay? Huh? Babe. What are you doing?
You are a joke! You are crazy!
Babe, come on now. It's a...
Don't you come close to me!
Where are you going to? Oh, babe. Babe.
Douglas, leave.
What are you doing here? It's our wedding night.
Douglas, leave, please.
What? You want to spend the night here?
Yes. Get out. You know, when are we traveling?
Traveling? For?
Our honeymoon. What country are we going to?
Oh. I actually didn't think about it.
Hey!
But now that you mentioned it, I'm sure we'll figure something out, okay? Babe?
Douglas.
Yeah?
You don't even think of getting your passport.
Baby, I haven't renewed my passport.
Hey!
Hey, why are you being so difficult? I don't have the financial power to make all of these things happen. Besides, I just took a 10 million naira loan to fund our wedding. The wedding of your dream.
Douglas Machuko, carry microphone. Tell the neighbors, go, tell them that you spent 10 million naira for a wedding like I do not deserve it. Hey! Hey! God. God, why have you decided to punish me this way? God, is it that I'm too demanding or I made a wrong choice?
Yeah, you're too...
Hey, shh! I was not talking to you. I was talking to my God. Get out.
What do you mean, get out? Come on.
Douglas, can you do... Please.
I need to make love to you. Like, it's our wedding night. We can talk about all these things later.
Chill! Leave me alone!
Babe. I want us to talk. Look, I know I may be performing below your expectations, but I want us to have an understanding. What matters is our happiness, not other people. If you had agreed to my wedding plans, we will have enough money to go on our honeymoon and enjoy ourselves. But you wanted our wedding to be talk of the town. And right now, I don't have enough money to take us on a honeymoon.
Are you done talking? Douglas, you're very stupid. Yes, you're a very stupid man. Douglas, are you the first person to borrow money to fund a wedding? Move on and stop repeating it to my ears each time we're having a conversation. I do not like it.
I am not regretting it. I'm just saying.
No. Stop saying. It's beginning to sound like a broken record. Okay?
I'm sorry.
Better.
About the car, I thought of something.
Douglas.
Now you're smiling, huh?
You just know how to make me happy.
Is that right?
So what is it?
You can have mine as yours. I don't mind taking a cab to work every day. Okay?
Douglas, your car. A car you've been driving for almost a decade.
Babe.
A car your friends can even identify with their eyes closed is what you want to give me, Cleo, as a wedding gift. Hey, so wait, what will I tell my friends? That my husband bought me his car as a wedding present. You need to see a doctor. Douglas, you need to see a doctor because your brain is not working. You should take that to your 2K. You're mad. You're mad.
Alright, baby. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. Close. Watch your step. Be careful. Be careful.
What's going on?
Alright, just close your eyes. There you go.
Should I open?
Not yet. Almost. Alright.
What is it?
Okay. Open your eyes, baby. My queen. Your new baby.
Nice car now, but that doesn't call for all this drama, Douglas.
Baby.
Douglas, it's not a big deal. It's just a Camry. It's not even a Range Rover. You're now covering my face. If you never me Range Rover, you'll tie my eyes.
Babe, come on now. You appreciate this one first. Okay?
So why is your car?
I sold it.
Why?
I didn't have enough money to fund yours, so I sold mine.
You're so romantic. Oh, come here.
Right.
Don't worry, I'll always drop you off if need be, okay?
Yeah? Thank you. Baby, go. Check it out. Enjoy.
Ha.
Babe, check it. It's full option though. Check it.
It's just a Camry. Eh?
Babe, it's not just a Camry.
Camry is Camry.
It's full option, babe.
I bet let's go inside.
Babe, you don't want to see the interior? Baby.
Wow. I think this is nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
So,
And this too. I like this. I love it. So nice on my skin. Wow. And this. Hey. I like this so. Oh.
I brought nice things for you.
Very nice. How much are this?
This 500 kilo.
Only. For what now?
They are really expensive. Oh.
I beg, Jane. No, I beg. I'll just drop this one. I just dropped this one.
So how many will you not pick?
These 3 now. How much?
It's 280 oh.
For what?
It is.
I beg, now 250k. Please, I beg. You want me to go build house for like who you be? Jay, wait me that one now.
It's cocoa for you.
So,
So, don't worry, bring the money.
250k last.
250, don't worry. It's fine.
My love.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, hi Jane, how are you doing?
Good.
Baby, are you going out?
Yes, I'm going for a quick meeting, but I'll be back before you know it.
Okay. Baby, please, before you go, can you just quickly make a transfer to Jane? I bought this jewelries from her. They're so beautiful.
Okay, I'll do it when I come back.
Douglas. Just do it now, okay? Please. I call your account number for my husband. My love. Thank you so much. Baby.
Jane?
Yeah.
What bank?
GT Bank.
My love. It's just 250,000 naira.
What?
Maybe it's just 250,000 naira, okay? Look at it, don't you love it? Call your account number.
00
0 0
62
6 2
54
5 4
31.
Too like money. Maybe 250k on the dot. Don't add anything for her.
Hey,
Thief.
my baby.
Jane Ogochi.
Yes.
Sent.
Thanks,
you.
my baby. Okay, baby.
Yeah.
Do have a nice day. I
I'll
love
try.
you so much. Baby, blow your own now.
Ma. I'm very lucky. Hey.
What will you drink?
Anything that.
I love her.
And you want to remain a slave forever.
It's a good thing to love.
Yes, it's a good thing to love, but for someone who loves you back, not the other way around.
She loves me.
See, let me tell you something. I can bet you. She doesn't love you. See, she's just a frustrated gold digger looking for someone to feast on.
Hey, that's my wife you're talking about.
I know, and you're my best friend. I want the best for you.
You know what? I'll find my way home.
Wait, you want to get down from my car because I'm telling you the truth?
I'll find my way home.
Well, no problem. Suit yourself. But don't come complaining to me.
Don't worry, I won't.
Hey, baby. You're home late. Come here. I'm sure you're tired, so why don't you go up, freshen up, while I make you something to eat.
Babe, let's sit.
Are you okay?
Yeah, good.
Are you okay?
Do you love me?
Where is that coming from?
I'm just thinking out loud. It's always money, money, money all the time for you. Earlier today, you almost embarrassed me in front of your friend. What if I didn't have the money?
Douglas. Oh, I see where all this is coming from. So because you paid for a jewelry I bought from my friend, suddenly Cleo doesn't love you?
It's just a question.
It's not a question, it's a stupid question, okay? And the annoying thing is that you find it difficult to buy things for me. Listen, I know of some married women, their husbands do even more for them, and yet they are not materialistic. Just a little you did for me now, you're asking me if I love you. I don't blame you.
Babe.
Hey! No problem. ordinary jewelry.
You still awake?
Yes, I was waiting for you.
Bad boy. I know what you want. Come here.
It's not that.
What do you want?
To have a healthy conversation with you.
Okay.
I was thinking, why don't you get something to do to support the family financially? If you don't want to work as an employee, I completely understand. I'll save some funds and open a business for you.
Well, that's nice, but I'm sorry. I don't want to work.
Why? You enjoy being a housewife? Staying idle?
Douglas, did I complain to you? Douglas, did I complain to you? Wait. And why are you trying to share your responsibility with me? Douglas Wanchuku, you are the man of the house, so it's your duty to take care of this house. Mine is to bear children, take care of the house, and be taken care of by you. So I don't understand all this your whatever.
There's nothing wrong with you supporting me. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm owing a loan of 15 million naira. 15! So we need money anywhere we can get it to clear the debt.
Douglas Wanchuku, I'm not working and that's on period, okay? Don't stress me.
So all you want to do is be a baby girl and stay at home, huh? That's what you want to do. How can you not like the idea of making money?
Douglas, don't stress me. Stop. Allow me sleep.
No, it's ridiculous. It's actually ridiculous. We're talking about 15 million naira loan. Why don't you want to make money? Why? Why? Tell me which woman will not be happy with the idea of running a business? Right? That's your response.
Alright, sir, we've reached your destination.
Alright. You can end the trip.
Alright.
How much?
8,200.
8 what?
1,200.
I don't understand how.
The traffic was crazy. We're in traffic for over 3 hours. I even had to take an alternate route. That's why we're here.
What bank?
Okay.
Account number.
80 2 24182046.
2046. Sent.
Sin. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to give me a 5-star rating.
Nice, right?
Yeah, tastes good.
Thank you.
Oh. Babe,
My love.
can I ask you for a favor?
Sure. What is it?
Is it okay if I use your car to work sometimes?
Douglas, you know that's not possible. It's my car.
Baby, you don't use the car that often. Plus, my office is very far, and I spend 20K on transport daily. Baby, if you think about it, that's 100,000 every week. And we can solve 1 or 2 problems with that.
Douglas Machuku, that is why you shouldn't have sold your car.
But I couldn't fund yours without selling mine.
Douglas, so what's the difference? Tell me, you work from Monday to Friday and even on Saturday. So what happens on the day when I need to drive my car? It means it's not even mine anymore. It's automatically your car because you just upgraded your car to something else. That's what it is.
It's your car. It's still your car.
Then please, leave it for me and sort yourself. You can go out there and borrow money if you know that getting a car is so expensive. Sort yourself out and leave my car for me. Please.
It's fine.
Thank you for understanding. I think I like this one. Wow, this is so beautiful. Babes, my friend just sent me this hair and I like this black one. It's so beautiful. Look at it. You like it?
Okay.
Okay. Douglas.
What else?
Okay. And
What else?
you didn't ask me how much.
You are paying for it now, so the price doesn't matter to
I don't
me.
understand. I'm paying for my hair. Or you are paying because you're my husband.
What? Look, I don't have money to buy hair. At least not now.
Douglas, what is wrong with you? Like, what is wrong with you? This hair is just 150,000 naira. Listen, I know a lot of married women, their husband even do more for them. What is 150K?
Wait. Did you just put just in front of 150,000 naira?
God.
Are you aware that if you steal 150K, they'll burn you with tire in the market? Are you aware? You are putting just in front of 150K. How? Look, I'm completely broke. I'm very broke. Right? Not just broke, I'm poor. So I can't afford to pay for it 150K. No, I can't.
You are
Please.
very wicked. You are very, very wicked, you this man. Wait. So this is the trophy wife you promised me, right?
Trophy wife when I thought you were reasonable. But now you want to suck my blood dry.
Douglas,
That's why Chuku, so I'm unreasonable.
You're very unreasonable.
You see this hair? You will buy it. You go buy it. You don't buy and finish.
What do you mean must buy it? I can't. It's not possible.
Really?
Except you want to sell me to buy the hair.
This house will not contain me and you.
Oh,
I will turn this house upside down.
It will contain because like, the only option is to sell me so you can afford the hair.
You will buy this hair.
As what?
Watch and see.
It's not possible. I don't.
Watch and see.
I have
Douglas.
0 naira right now.
Okay, you don't have peace in this house.
I don't have funds.
Just touch me or come close to me.
Okay. Why don't I touch you when you're positioning like this? Instead of to find ways to service me and make me feel.
If you touch me, I will punch you.
I don't understand.
Try me.
So you're not going to make me feel.
Touch me.
When last did
Touch
we have
me. Touch me.
See, just relax.
You will buy
relax.
this.
Relax.
So I actually thankfully met him at an event, but I left and didn't look back at him. Babe, are you okay?
Ah, yeah, okay, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Are you sure? Whatever is bothering you, you can tell me.
It's okay. You see, I should be able to take care of some things myself.
What's going on?
It's nothing. Just a project I'm handling and I just need some cash.
Maybe, but you can ask your daddy now. What happened to your father?
He's already complaining. He said he invested already too much in it and he won't continue.
How much are we talking about?
It's like 3 million naira.
Wow. Okay, I can help you raise like 2 million naira so that you can just use it for the
Ah,
project.
thank you so much.
You're welcome. So are you going to cheer up now? I was just thinking about the guy that was stalking me and
I will listen now. I'll listen. I love you.
I love you more.
But tell me I'm listening.
So, I met the guy, right? And he was trying to talk to me. I didn't.
Did you give him your number?
How will I give him my number? I have a man.
Continue.
I met him and I didn't talk to him. But later on, I met him at that event that I went for, and he was just being annoying. I just left, literally just walked out on him, and I didn't look back. I'm like, who is this one trying to impress me with G-Wagon and telling me that he would take care of me? Do I look at someone that needs to be taken care of?
Boss, your destination. Boss, your destination you entered. Boss, we're here.
Yeah. Where are we?
The destination you entered.
How much?
45.
What bank?
GTV.
Okay. Number? Account number?
011 314 7545.
Sent.
I'm coming.
Hey, my love, welcome. My love. Baby. Are you okay?
No, I'm not. I lost my job.
Oh my God. What happened?
I don't know. I was called into the HOD's office and he offered me a notice of dismissal. I think it has something to do with my punctuality.
Well, I don't get it. It doesn't make sense. But you leave for work with taxi.
Yeah, I get to work very late sometimes.
Hey. Hi. Hey, my love. I'm so sorry. Look at me. Look at me. Listen, don't worry. You'll get another job, okay? So right now, why don't you just go freshen up while I make you something to eat?
I'm not hungry.
Oh, come on. But you have to eat, okay? Sorry, my baby. Chai, sorry.
Becky, honestly, I don't know this guy, alright? But something about him just don't sit well with me. He just feels off.
You don't know him. You've never met him before, yet it feels off to you.
I don't need to know him. I don't need to even meet him. With everything you've said and my instincts, feels like he's a gold digger.
He's an ex-senator's son. He's not from a poor background.
Then why are you always the one supporting him financially?
Because I want to. Not that he asked me to, actually.
Fine. Still not okay with it, but I'll just back off.
No, you need to fix your trust issues. Okay? That's what you need to do. Yes.
Okay.
Instead of you to be happy for me.
I said
You're
it's
being
okay.
pessimistic. Right? Right.
Douglas. Douglas Machuku. You're not ready.
For
Douglas. You promised my friends outing this evening. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry, considering everything that happened today, so it's possible it skipped your mind. You promised us an outing today. So please, go and get ready.
Can you hear yourself talk? Why can't you just be sensitive for once in your life?
Douglas, please. How am I being insensitive? You promised my friends outing this evening. Yes or no?
So losing my job is not enough for me to cancel?
And cancelling it won't get your job back either. Douglas, what is wrong with you? Please don't hurt me.
So, you expect me to take you and your friends out to do what? To celebrate losing my job? Is that what you want?
Douglas, I do not know, okay? You promised my friends outing this evening.
I cannot go back and tell them that my husband lost his job and that's why he cannot take them out. Hell no! Oh, fine. Douglas Wachuko, you want them to now say that I'm broke, Abby? Well, I'm not broke. Go up and get ready, let's go.
Wow. Now I can see where all of this is coming from. Fake life. What did you tell them? You told them you were married to Dangote? Or did you tell them you're married to Bill Gates?
Douglas, please. You do not need to look like your problem, okay? Go up and get ready, let's go.
Chloe, I'm not going anywhere with you. Okay? You know where the lounge is so you can take them out. Go and spend your money for once. I'm not going
Douglas! Douglas, you lie, oh! It's a lie! Douglas, come back here. Go and get ready, oh!
Spend your money.
If you like, run away.
How much is it?
Go to Nairobi. Shame on you! Woo! Rock man! Woo! Shame on you! You want go? Go and get ready. Yeah. I'm ready, oh! 5 minutes! 5 minutes! You come here and meet me. But I dress very well, though. I can't dress like a poor man. Baby.
Hey.
Where are you dressed to now?
My new daily routine. Job hunting.
Oh, my love. Don't worry. Soon you get a new job, okay? Baby, I need to get some food items. So I need some money.
Babe, I wish I could give you the money right now, but I don't have it. Is there any way you can get money?
Douglas, how? I don't earn salary. I'm not into prostitution. So how do I get the money?
Can we at least manage what we have for today?
Hello? Who are you? And what are you doing here?
I don't understand. Like, are you visiting to Sam or something?
Who are you? And what are you doing here?
I should be asking you.
You should be asking me. I'm Sam's girlfriend.
Sam is my man.
You say what?
He's my man.
It's your wait. You must be mad. You are very, very mad. Hi, Sam.
Holy shit.
So can you explain what exactly is going on here?
Ma'am?
What do you mean?
I think this is a coincidence, usual coincidence.
What do you mean coincidence? Who is she?
Okay, the fact is you both are right. Yeah, okay, I have 2 girlfriends, or maybe more. But you can coexist. It's just a usual...
You are mad. You are very stupid.
It's a usual something and...
It's a usual something to kill you, dear. Fool.
It's a usual something. Kid. See. This one, that correct now.
Come in, no. Douglas, the door is open. Douglas, the door is open now. How did it go? Any luck?
No, not yet.
So what did they say? Did they say you should return or they'll get back to you?
No vacancy.
Ha!
The one that promised to call obviously won't because the guy doesn't seem to like me.
Oh, no, wow. Well, anyways, my love, don't worry. God is preparing something huge for you, all right? He knows I'm in your life, and he knows I deserve better as your wife. He knows I do not deserve to suffer. So all you have to do, my love, just be hopeful and be patient, okay? Something good is coming.
Amen.
Amen.
What do we have in the kitchen? Kitchen, what do we have?
Kitchen. I don't understand. Abi, you forget. We agreed to manage, Abi.
Now to manage what we have left.
Ha, Douglas. Is that food I ate today? I thought we had an understanding. Abi?
It's fine, I'll be upstairs.
I'm coming to join you. Welcome.
Who ate this?
I think any problem?
I thought you said you don't have any money.
What if I told you I borrowed the money?
This should cost about 2 to 4K, right? If you add an extra 5K to that amount, you could have made a pot of soup.
Really? Douglas Wachuku, you asked me to manage before you left the house for work. And me, I don't know how to manage. Eh? Oh, wait. Douglas, what were you even expecting? That you come back to some delicious meal? With which money? Eh? Douglas? Please, don't start with this your cheap emotional blackmail, okay?
You just go and change your clothes. If you want to have this remaining one, you can have it. Just take one. Don't finish it though. You don't have money. If you finish it, you'll pay for it. I borrowed the money.
I don't know if I can bear it anymore. Please don't hurt me, 'cause my heart isn't made of stone, and it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad when you do.
Becky. I'm so sorry you feel this way. I knew something was off. I just knew something wasn't right. It's okay. Let me even see a picture of that beast again. Clinton.
Cows. Do you know him?
This is Clinton. Becky, this is the same guy I told you about, my ex, the
ex-senator's son.
Yes. And his name is Clinton, not Carl. Wow. He also told you he's a senator's son.
Yes.
Wow.
Wait, do you know that this is his strategy?
Of Obviously. Because, oh my God. Another mistake.
Are you sure?
How didn't I even ask to see a picture? Anything all this while?
I don't know. Wait, are you really sure?
Becky, this is Clinton. This is him now.
Oh my. This business good. Ah. I think I don't break this girl out. Let me pick. Hello. Why? Okay. Where? Okay. I will tell you when I start coming. Bye. Maybe I was wrong.
About what?
About thinking it's over. Listen, if this baby is obsessed with me, then it's an opportunity to milk her dry, wreck her. Then, when I'm done, I bounce. What do you think?
You know, some ladies, they like to win. Especially when they're partying with their fellow lady. Because it lowers their self-esteem and they don't want to lose.
Then, that means she can do whatever it takes to keep me. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Exactly what you're thinking. More money.
More money?
More money.
More cash?
I swear.
I will make sure I wreck her this time. Then we need to make arrangement to flee.
Of course.
Yellow cast very soon. They pursue us like papi.
I swear.
Let me just dress well. Good perfume.
Dress well.
Man, so that once I appear.
Don't hurt me. Don't push me past my breaking point. I don't know if I can bear it anymore. Please don't hurt me. 'Cause my heart isn't made of stone.
Hi.
And it hurts so bad.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
Who are you?
What?
Really, who are you? Is it Charles? Is it Cows? Is it Clinton? Sam? Who exactly are you?
Who have you been listening to?
What have I been listening to?
Maybe Jesus.
Oh, wow. You see, you girls need to calm down.
Calm down what?
No, you girls need to calm down.
Now what?
Listen.
Can you imagine? No, it's not even worth my tears. It's not. This guy. Let me fuck up now. Let me define love.
Cleo!
Douglas Nwachukwu.
Cleo! What did you do with my bank account?
I borrowed money with it. I borrowed 400,000 naira.
You did what? Are you insane? You borrowed money from my account without my consent because I gave you access to the account in case of an emergency?
Hey. Douglas, why are you lamenting as if you've done something that no man has done? Douglas Nwachukwu? Why? Douglas, come and sit. Let me give you husband of the year now. As you gave me your password to an empty and dry account. Account that you don't have up to 50,000 naira inside there. You're shouting. Thank God you're even eligible for loan, so I used it.
Why are you so evil and heartless? Huh? Don't you have any conscience? Are you trying to ruin my life?
Wow. Wow. So because I used my husband's 400,000 naira, you are giving me all this insult? Hey, Douglas, you want to beat me? Douglas, oh, you beat me now. Douglas, beat me! Because of 400,000 naira, you know what? I will ease you the stress. I will leave your house. Rubbish.
What are you doing?
I'm leaving. I'm leaving to those who sent me to ruin you, so no problem. Then watch me!
Okay, look, I'm sorry.
Don't touch me.
Okay, I'm sorry for my outburst. I'm sorry for the things I said. It's just that I'm
frustrated, right? Douglas, I have now become an instrument where you pour your frustration, right? You know what? I'm done. I want to go so you can go find that angel who is not materialistic, who is not a devil, who is not wicked, who is not insensitive, who is not tasking. Let me just go. I'm tired of this whole bullshit.
I love you.
You don't love me.
I do. Okay, I love you so much. I know that we're going through a tough time right now, but I promise you, things are going to get better.
Like I made you jobless. Like it's my fault that you're jobless.
No, you didn't. Okay, you didn't. I promise you. Okay, just give me some time. I'm trying my best. I'm working. Everything is going to be fine. Okay? Please. Baby, you know I love you and I can't do this without you, babe. Okay, I'm sorry. Come here. I'm sorry. Someone is at the door. Are you expecting anyone?
No.
Maybe just give me a second, okay? Please don't go. No, don't go anywhere. Just give me some time. I'm coming. Okay? I'll sort this out. Okay? Okay, babe.
Tired.
Mr. Philip. Sir, I wasn't expecting you, sir.
If only you have paid my calls, I would have informed you of my coming.
Sorry, sir. Please sit. Please. What can I offer you?
I'm not here to eat or drink. I'm here to ask you, why haven't you kept our agreement concerning the money you are owing me?
I'll fulfill it.
When?
Very soon.
What are you giving me? Is it a 5-month interest or the complete money, or you are paying everything at once?
I believe the interest first.
I'm giving you 31 days to pay up, or else when next I come, there won't be room for dialogue.
Douglas Wanchuko, are you okay?
Babe.
Who was that?
That was Sir Philip. He came to ask for his money and threatened to hurt me if I don't at least pay the interest in less than a month.
Douglas, how much is his interest?
5 million.
Hey. Douglas, that's a lot of money. And you haven't paid him anything since he loaned you the 10 million naira? Hey! Wala deo. Douglas, you have to find a way. You have to find a way to raise the money. I don't want anybody to come here and embarrass me. Pico. Hey. Anyways, you have to find a way to make it up to me, because of what you said to me earlier.
Yeah, of course. What do you want?
My love, my wardrobe is empty. So, shopping would do.
Okay. But please, you have to be considerate with your choices. You know, every penny matters to me right now.
Come on, Douglas, but you know I'm very, very considerate. You know. But you just have to make it up to me. Eh?
Sure.
My love.
Come here, baby.
Love you.
Love you too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You like that? Maybe don't you think we've flicked enough?
No.
But you don't even wear things like this. No, I'm just saying. I think we should stick to what you need. Wait, how much for the items?
130,000 euros, sir.
What?
Yes, sir.
Just give me a minute, please.
Just let me look. What is it?
Drag me like that. What is wrong with you?
Didn't you hear what she just said?
I'm not deaf.
Where do you expect me to get such a huge amount from? Huh?
Douglas, and what do you call huge? 132,000 naira? Something men like you spend on just dinner dates? Huh?
Chloe, I have just 50,000 naira. 50k, that's the best I can offer. Please.
So what happened to my items that I picked?
Well, I'm afraid you just have to return some of them.
You're really abnormal. No. You're crazy. You're mad. You want to disgrace me, Abi? Take it.
Don't hurt me, don't push me past my breaking point. I don't know if I can bear it anymore.
Hello.
Welcome back, sir.
Hi, thank you. What I have is just 50,000 naira. So please, do me a favor, take off some of the items here.
So I should reduce it to 50,000 naira.
Ish, yeah.
Okay, sir.
I think I'll pick this color.
Okay.
Yeah, this is not really her style. Okay. Oh, 56,000. It's not so bad.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. What about receipt? Stop printing this.
Um,
Out of paper?
yes,
No, it's
sir.
fine. Don't worry.
It's
Thank
out.
you. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
That was so unnecessary. I expected you to understand. Meanwhile, I still got you the nice ones.
Douglas, why can't you just let me be? Huh?
Baby, check them out. You like them.
Oh.
Okay, I got you the best.
Watch me.
Babe. Babe. What did you do that for?
Exactly what you saw. You know what? I can't just wait to just leave this thing you call a marriage. Rubbish. Shaggy.
I don't know if I can bear it anymore. Please don't hurt me, 'cause my heart isn't made of stone. It hurts so bad. It hurts so bad.
Where are you coming from? I was looking for you.
And how is that your business where I went to?
I'm your husband. I deserve
Maurice, Douglas, please. Spare me those sermon of what you deserve and what you do not deserve. When last did you perform your duty as a man of this house? When?
You know you contributed to our situation today.
Oh, really?
If you had invested in something like I advised, by now you would have made enough money to sustain the family till I get a job.
Says he who has failed as a man. What were you doing to lose your job in the first place, Douglas Nwachukwu? Do not blame your failure on me, okay? Now get out.
Get out.
Can we talk?
Douglas, it depends on what the topic is.
It's about everything. Things are not moving as they should. Our financial struggles, I just... Are you expecting anyone?
No?
I'll get the door. Mr. Phillips.
Yes.
Salamu. Babe, please talk to my lawyer, please. Move, Mr. Phillips. Mr. Phillips. Mr. Phillips. Let's just settle this up. Babe! 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 Babe!
Don't push me past my breaking point. I don't know if I can bear it anymore. Please don't hurt me, 'cause my heart isn't made of stone, and it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad when you do. When you do, yes, it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad push me past my breaking point. I don't know if I can bear it anymore. Please don't hurt me, 'cause my heart isn't made of stone, and it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad when you do. When you do, yes, it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad when you do. My heart isn't made of stone, and it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad when you do. Don't hurt me. Don't push me past my breaking point. I don't know if I can bear it anymore. Please don't hurt me, 'cause my heart isn't made of stone, and it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad when you do.
This.
When you do. Yes, it hurts so
Okay.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your kindness. I mean, you paid for this.
You know, with an exceptional beauty like you, I'm obliged to be kind. My pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So, can I be your driver?
I
Oh.
parked there.
Well, I can have your number.
Sure.
All right.
So 070
Okay.
44 33 8499.
Thank you. Huh?
All right, so you call. All right.
Sure. My pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
Me too.
Bye.
Bye.
If you have 40 million, why not get a plot of land and start building it? Yes, I've thought about that, but I really just want to settle down and be under a man.
What has that got to do with this one now?
You know men now. They get scared when they see a successful woman. I don't want any man intimidated by my success.
Those are not real men. Do you want to attract such people?
No, I want a good man. And a good man can be scared sometimes. I don't want a man that will think that because I'm successful, he cannot wow me. Trust me, most successful men think like that. And the other ones want you for your money.
Becky,
What?
this is 2023. This is not 1983.
I know, I just... Hello? Where are you? Oh, okay, number 4. Alright, I'm coming. Yes, I'm coming.
Hey, are you the one from Helen's? Douglas. Douglas, what are you doing here? What happened?
A lot happened.
Okay, do you want to maybe come in so we can talk?
I'm afraid that's not possible. I have a lot of items to deliver. Maybe some other time.
How about you come back? After you're done with your deliveries, of course.
I'll try.
You know what? The only way I'm letting you go is if you take my item along with you. And come back. Please.
What happened?
I don't know, like, I don't understand how life can be so unfair.
Life unfair. What are you talking about?
I just met Douglas. I mean, Douglas is the dispatch rider.
Who is Douglas?
Douglas used to be the, like, let me put it this way. He used to be the brightest student in university that year. We used to call him every woman's dream because he would help us with all our projects and whatnot.
Okay, so how did he get to the point of becoming a common dispatch rider?
I don't know. And honestly, I'm curious. That's why I left my things with him.
Was that serious?
What? He was prim and proper, intelligent, calm. Every woman wanted him. I'm serious.
And you wanted him too?
Come on, don't be silly. I'm curious.
By the way you said Douglas. Oh my god.
Don't push me past my breaking point. I don't know if I can bear it anymore. Please don't hurt me, 'cause my heart isn't made of stone. And it hurts
Here you go.
so bad.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It hurts so bad when you do.
Now that we have all the time, Douglas, why a dispatch bike?
Because that's the best I could get.
With your certificate?
I ran into debt. I couldn't pay back the loan I took. The man arrested me, and after weeks in police custody, I agreed to submit my original certificate till I can pay. So right now, I do not have a certificate.
How much is this debt?
10 million, which has risen to 15 due to accumulated interest.
15 million? Why would you borrow such amount of money? For what?
It's embarrassing.
Look, you can talk to me, okay? You can. I mean, you're like a brother to me. You're like family.
My ex, I borrowed it for her to start a business, which she convinced me was lucrative.
Right.
And then she just disappeared.
Wow. Wow. Look, you don't have to blame yourself. I've been in one of those situations too before. Yeah. What is important now is, what is the way forward? How do we solve this?
I'm just hoping and praying that things will improve, things will get better.
Douglas, promise me you'll come back tomorrow. Let's find a solution to this, okay?
Sure. It's so good to see
So
you.
good to see you!
way back.
The original ladies man.
What?
Oh my God.
I mean,
Ladies man, no.
Stop it.
Most sought after.
Ah, come on, please.
It's so good to see you, Sha.
Yeah, it is. It is. It is. Well done.
Thank you.
Don't hurt me, don't push me past my breaking point. I don't know if I can bear it anymore. Please don't hurt me, 'cause my heart isn't made of stone. And it hurts so bad, it hurts so bad.
What are we doing here?
You said you wanted to know what I do.
Yes. Is this your place?
Actually, one of my places. You know, I own something like about 12 in this estate. Even this one is still selling.
You're a developer.
Yeah, I am, and you know you can be a developer, you're a fat wallet.
Of course, I know. This is yours?
Yeah. Okay, let me feel your eyes, huh? Come with me. Come. Oh no, this side. Let's start from here. Come. So you feed your eyes, huh? Come.
Hey.
Hi.
Sorry, I was talking to my older cousin. And I think we might be able to get you a job at Shell. But we will need your certificate. So I'm thinking, how about I pay off your debt and you pay me back later?
You're pulling my legs.
No,
right?
no, I'm not. Look, the salary is great, so you can save up. In 2 years, you should be done paying me back. So.
I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything.
I mean, can I just keep thanking you forever?
It's okay. It's fine, honestly. And also, where do you live?
Ujualegba.
Ujualegba is far. You work on the island, so you have to move out.
Yeah, island is very expensive for me right now.
Okay. How about you moving with me? Once you save up money to get your own place, then you can move out. Okay?
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. You don't know what this means to
So
me.
that is fine. Okay? It's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Everything will be okay.
Guess what?
What?
Guess. Just guess.
You got the job?
I got the job.
Are you serious?
I did! Yes, I did.
Oh my God!
And guess what? The pay is amazing. It's sweet.
Oh, congratulations, you deserve it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Like, this wouldn't have been possible without you.
You have thanked me like 1 million times, okay?
Well, I have to thank you again. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh! Shit. Okay.
Is Becky around?
No, she's not.
Okay, just let her know I stopped by.
What's your name so I can tell her?
Sisi. My name is Sisi. Hey, you.
Hey!
Hi.
Hi, welcome.
Did you miss me?
Yeah, of course I did.
Oh, course.
What do you have in here?
Well, I went shopping for you.
Are you joking?
I want you to look good now. I want you to look good on your first day at work.
Wow.
Yeah. I mean, once you get your first paycheck, you can add to it.
Becky, I don't know what to say. You are so sweet. Thank you.
Stop flattering me.
No, but I'm just stating the obvious. This is really nice. Thanks.
You're welcome. You should try them out. Let's be sure that it fits.
Yeah, I'm sure it will. Oh, before I forget, someone was here to see you. Her name is Sisi.
Oh, my friend, I'll call her.
Thanks again.
You're welcome. Just gonna go upstairs and just change.
Yeah.
Enjoy. I'm just gonna go up and freshen up.
Right. Okay.
Hey.
Hey.
Here you are.
I thought you were inside. I was looking for you.
I was making breakfast for you. Are you ready to go to work?
You made breakfast for me?
Yes. Let's go. I like your shirt.
Thank you. All thanks to you.
BB.
That guy I saw is really hot. And with everything you're saying, I'm just saying, he's same too. Be an item.
Which item? The one in supermarket or which one? Please, Biko. Did I call you to come and examine somebody? Yeah?
And you carry something and tie my eye now. I was just appreciating, the work of the Lord.
Okay.
But are you sure you're not making a mistake? That was a huge sacrifice you made.
Babe, I had to do something. You can't allow him continue to be a dispatch rider.
15 million. 15 million, not be child's play.
He will pay back.
What if he doesn't pay back?
He works for my cousin's company, okay? And it's not that I give him cash now. He had to replace somebody and he's working for it.
It's true, Sha.
Yes. But do not ask any more silly questions. That's all I ask.
Cha, but...
Yeah, just make sure that you're not asking any silly questions. That's all I need.
Come and beat me now. Like you just beat me. Beat your friend because she's going to ask you questions.
Don't push me past my breaking point. I don't know if I can bear it anymore. Please don't.
Hey!
Hey!
Can I join you?
Sure.
Okay, that means you're going to be my personal trainer.
Sure, why not?
Okay.
But you have to change.
Correct. I'll just go in and change.
Okay.
Give me a minute.
Sure.
So bad.
Oh.
It hurts so bad when you do.
There's something I'd like to discuss with you.
Okay.
I want to introduce you to an online trading platform where you can make up to 40 million in less than 6 months. Depending on what you invest, of course.
Wow.
Yeah.
But are you sure it's safe and reliable?
Safe, but reliable, yes. I mean, I benefited from it in like, what? I've invested like 6 months ago and I made some money. So it depends on what you actually put in, but yeah, you can try it out.
Okay, so like how much can I start with?
Say like a millionaire and above.
$1 million?
Yeah.
That's a lot of money I could lose.
You could win.
But you know, I'm saving up to repay you. So
Look, just invest, okay? I can wait. Okay?
I said that you're the best.
You just said it. You just did.
Okay.
Okay, but you can give me my own cut later on. So.
Yeah, Dev. Cut is not a problem. as long as I'm making the money, sure.
Oh, of course.
Yes. Actually, can't wait for this. I'm very interested. I want to know about this platform thing now.
Hey.
Hey.
I want to go for a walk.
Just you?
Well, I would love for you to join me, but I don't want to distract you.
Oh, come on. I need the air more than you do. Just give me a minute and we'll be on our way.
Okay, I'll just stay right here.
You know what? That's fine. I'll finish up later.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
So, you were bored, huh?
Yes, I was bored. And you were doing whatever it is you were doing. You were doing
it's work.
I know.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
What are the qualities that you find attractive in women? What do you find attractive in women?
Personality, and then beauty. Yep.
Interesting. That's a lot though. It's not beautiful. I mean,
What about you?
it's a lot. You need like a pen and a paper for you to write it down.
Oh, okay. That sounds like you have a lot of like
List. Yeah.
Wow. You sure one man can possess all of this?
I think woman has most of the qualities.
Right. This was a good idea.
Yeah.
You know, it's, what are you doing?
I don't know, I'm having like my neck, my aches. I don't know, my neck is hurting so bad, my back.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Maybe you didn't sleep well.
I think I slept on it actually, so yeah.
Well, I could, help you massage it if you want.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Let me show you my side hustle.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Wow. Maybe a bit
Down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Just work your hair.
Okay.
Sometimes it could be stress.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
Thanks. Hey.
Hi. You're still awake?
Yeah. I couldn't
to sleep, but I had a very bad dream. I wish there's someone that could stay with me because I'm scared.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
What are you going to do?
I don't know. Maybe I'll just call my friend to come over.
Yeah, but it's really late.
Yeah.
Well, I could come stay with you if you want till you fall asleep.
I mean, is it fine? It's okay.
No, I should be asking if that's convenient.
It's fine. It's really okay.
Okay, I'll be there shortly.
Hey.
Hi, I thought you were sleeping already. Okay, let's yeah, sure. Yes.
Good night.
Yeah, good night. Oh, hi.
Morning.
Morning. Are you okay?
Yeah, I want to say thank you for yesterday.
You're welcome.
And also, how about you take my car? I forgot to tell you that yesterday, actually.
Yeah, but it may inconvenience you.
No, it's fine. I mean, I don't drive it, so it will help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wait, why are we doing it?
Because you copied me.
I stole your look.
Yeah, you definitely did.
I thought I was gonna steal something else. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, the khaki, okay. Hey! Yeah.
Baby, I'll be traveling to UK next week.
Why the short notice? You didn't know you were traveling?
It came as an emergency. My mom is sick and she wants me around. You know I'm her favorite, I couldn't say no.
So when are you coming back?
I don't have a date yet, but I will keep in touch. I promise, I will keep in touch. Once I return, I come to see your people.
I can't wait. I love you so much.
Love you. Love you. Make sure you stay safe.
Stay safe for me.
I'll stay away from those boys. They're deceitful.
I should be telling you that.
I want to come back and make you my wife.
Hey.
I made it.
You made what?
I made it!
What did you... What?
I've been credited.
Wait, by that trading platform?
Yes. 40 million.
Oh my god!
Yes!
Congratulations!
Yes, thank you. I couldn't believe it. I was like,
I told you, what if you win? Oh my god, congrats.
Please don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
I'm sorry.
For
Okay.
what? I wanted it too, so...
So you're not mad at me?
Of course I'm not mad at you. I'm not.
Thank you.
Stop. You make me very uncomfortable.
Right. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make this awkward.
Yeah, it is.
I was going to do that and...
Sam!
Oh, baby. Baby. Wow, baby. I was going to call you once I get in. Oh, my God. Baby, I've missed you.
Sam, you said you traveled and I've been calling your number, but you're not picking.
Yeah, baby, a lot happened. I just got into the country yesterday and I retrieved my line. Oh, baby, can we save ourselves this explanation? I've missed you. Let's be happy. Baby, I've missed you so much.
It's fine. Are you going there? I'm going to the car.
Oh, yeah, I came to see someone very urgent. Okay, just wait for me in the car. I'll join you. I promise. Just a few minutes, huh? Baby, I've missed you.
I missed you too.
Baby, I'm coming, right? Just a few minutes. Babe, hope you're good.
I just feel tired. And you?
Oh, I got a call from a client. I'll be back soon, I promise.
Please, don't stay too long.
I promise I won't stay too long.
Bye,
Don't miss me
baby.
too much.
I miss you already.
Here you go. I'm not serious. I want to be sure I won't be cheated. Oh. Where's Douglas? I haven't seen him since I got here.
He moved out.
Really?
Yeah.
To where?
He got his own apartment.
How?
What do you mean how? In fact, he got a car with it.
No way.
Yes. And he benefited from the same scheme I benefited from. So he moved out, got an apartment, and got a car.
Why am I always the unlucky one?
Because you are stingy, that's why. And please do not invest now.
Why not?
Because the last people that invested, they've not made their money back. Douglas was very, very lucky. Please, don't invest now.
You see, that's why I didn't invest in the first place. Anyway, I'm happy for him.
This girl. But don't you don't want to invest before now you're here?
Car.
Yes, car.
Baby! Baby, just guess what?
What?
Come on, baby, I want you to guess.
I can't. I don't think.
Okay, it's fine. I'm pregnant.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Babe, who is she?
Oh, wow, shit. Okay, maybe, I don't know. I don't know how she just walked in and, okay, all right, maybe I should introduce. I think, should I go first to you? All right, Cleo, my fiancé, my love, and, baby, my business partner, Cleo. Very good client. Yeah. Oh, she's crying. Oh my God.
Sam.
Why are you crying? She's crying, why?
Oh my God.
She's crying. Did you see that? Lock my door.
Wait. What if she come back because of the car?
What car? Does she have any proof? That one don't go.
I'm scared.
Who's scared? I'm not scared one bit. That one is good. One client gone. Did you see that? I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Me, father. We're going to do abortion.
Hold up a document to talk to you later. I'm sure I'm pretty much disgusted by everything that's been happening. And let me call you back.
Douglas.
Cause my heart isn't made of stone, and it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad when you do.
Wow.
When you do.
Douglas, how did this happen?
Hard work, resilience, luck, and a little push.
My baby, I'm so happy for you. Look at it. We prayed for days and God answered our prayers.
Our prayers.
Yes, baby, we prayed for it.
I'm actually glad that I found you.
Oh.
Now I can proceed with the divorce like you suggested.
Douglas. No. My love, please. Don't throw me out, please. Douglas, I know I wronged you. I know what I did was terrible. But please let me right my wrongs, please. Just hear me out. Please. I love you.
You love me. And yet you made my life miserable.
No.
You frustrated all my effort, almost drove me insane. And just when I needed you the most, you disappeared.
Douglas, please, you know I love you so much.
Please, leave my house. My lawyer will be in touch.
Douglas, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Look at me in the eyes and tell me you do not love me again.
Don't hurt me, don't push me past my breaking point. I don't know if I can bear it anymore. Please don't hurt me, cause my heart isn't made of stone, and it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad when you do. When you do.
Hi.
Yes, it hurts.
Is Douglas in?
Do you have any business appointment with my husband?
Say what now? Your what?
Husband. My husband.
Babe? Who?
Hi, baby.
Becky.
Douglas. Hey, who is she? Who is she? I'm talking to you.
Not now.
I'm talking to you.
Not now.
He lied to me. He's married. I don't even understand. How did I not see it? How did I not see it? He's a married man. And I was so invested in him. What are you doing here?
I'd like us to talk.
Talk about what? You want another chance to lie to me? Are you married or not?
Yes, I am. And I'm sorry I didn't tell you, and that's because I didn't want to remember her for anything.
I honestly thought you were different. I thought you were different.
Becky, I can explain, okay? Yes, I lied. I was married to her, but she left me during the most difficult phase of my life, and she was asking for a divorce. Fate brought us together, and she apologized. I loved her, and I still do.
So what about me? What about everything that we shared? Everything we've been through, what about me? What about the feelings I have for you?
I'm sorry, I didn't know you wanted us to be together. I thought what happened was a mistake.
A mistake? I invested in you. I gave you all of me. You call that a mistake? Do you even like me at all? Do you even have any iota of feelings for me?
I do. Okay, I do have feelings for you, but what I feel for my wife is stronger. Okay, you're an exceptional woman, and I'll be forever indebted.
Get out! Don't make me stop. Get out!
I'm sorry.
Becky. I don't want to. Becky, get out of my house!
Becky, it's okay. He's leaving.
Babe?
Yes, madam.
What happened to your car? I haven't seen it. Your car?
Baby, a lot happened. I'm just grateful to God for life. Yeah.
Okay.
On my way back from the village, I got robbed. I'm just lucky that the robbers left with just my car. Yes.
Armed robbers took your car?
Yes, my love. They did.
It's okay, it's fine. Don't worry, I'll get you another one as push gift when you put to bed.
Douglas, are you serious? Douglas, I love you so much.
Anything for you.
You're the best.
Okay.
What are you doing here?
Came to visit the mother of my unborn child.
You are silly. Sam, you were very silly. Now take your cursed self out of my house.
Why do I feel like you denied me access to my own child?
No, you rejected me and my child.
That was then. Now I want you.
Now I'm married, okay? I am married and this child belongs to my husband, so get out.
Okay, maybe I should meet your husband and tell him that this child belongs to me. But because you're married to him, it's now his.
What do you want?
Good question. I want money.
You know, I should have known that I dated a blackmailer.
Yeah, and a gold digger too. That's how I survive. Now you know.
You an imbecile. That's what you are!
That doesn't matter now. So, you will give me a call. We discuss the sum. Then I tell you where to get it to me in cash. Be fast about it.
Listen to me, son. I do not have any 5 million naira for you. Don't be ridiculous. Remember, you rejected this child. And now that I'm back to my husband and I made him believe he's responsible, do you want to surface? Don't push me. The car you sold is enough. My car you sold is enough. So do not push me. Goodbye. Not what
I want to hear one word from you. Go upstairs, pack your things, and get the hell out of my house!
Please, I beg you, it's not what you think.
Do not touch me!
I beg you. Baby, I love you so much, you know.
Upstairs! Now! Go upstairs! Don't touch me.
I love you.
If I repeat myself.
Baby, please.
Get out!
Baby,
Get out! Get out!
I think the baby wants to come. Oh my God.
Upstairs!
Oh, yes, I'm going now. Oh my God, please, I'm sorry. It's not what you think.
Upstairs!
Baby,
Now!
Baby, it's coming. I need you to help me. I'm sorry.
Don't push me past my breaking point. I don't know if I can bear it anymore. Please don't hurt me, 'cause my heart isn't made of stone, and it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad when you do. When you do. Yes, it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad when you do. Hurt me. Don't push me past my breaking point. I don't know if I can bear it anymore. Please don't
Yes.